Hey, sorry friends. Actually, I'm facing network issue today, right? Sorry. I'm audible now, guys. Please respond.
Yes, now
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, the Divya is there in the session. Yeah, Divya, just you are asking what I can give the answer, just tell me, because initially only I started with that, and authenticated means what? Once we log in, right? Once we log in, that we can access it now. Come on. Yeah, Preeti, right. Yeah, Preeti, right, correct. Hey, what is this? Where our code? Where our code?
I think we did not save that.
We lost it, right?
Yeah.
We lost it. Okay, just give me, right? Just give me a second. I'll do that. What I'm doing? Alt Shift S plus V. Control Shift O. Alt Shift S plus V. We need to override configure Spring Security. Here we will start our writing the code. Just a minute, guys. I will complete it, right? Where we are there in the permit all we given, right? After then we took ant matcher, inbox we took, right? Slash inbox also we are
Second
giving
one
what?
is home. Home
Yeah,
permit all.
we took home, right? Or leave it, we will not take home only, let's take inbox. And what is that? Authenticated, right? After then what we took? Ant matchers,
Home sir, slash home
mm,
permit all. Slash home sir.
slash leave it,
Home.
add friends, right? Add friends has authority,
But has authority.
has authority as admin,
Has any authority. Okay.
has authority admin, right? Admin. Now ant
Yes.
matcher, slash view profile, right? Has any authority, has any authority like user, employee,
Admin.
admin. Very good. Admin, right? After then what? If any URL is left, for that purpose we learn what is that? Any request, right? Any request authenticated we given, authenticated, right? These things we done last time, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Default also.
After then what? After then what? We started form login details. Login details, in that we took what is that? Dot, and we took and method. After then what? Form login, and the form login default page can be open as what? Home page we took, right? Home page. After then we started what? Log out details. Log out details, right? Means what? And log out my system also hanging. Dot log out, right? Dot log out. After then if we want to take our own logout, which page we, after logging out, right, signing out, which page we want to generate, for that purpose we took log out request, right?
Yeah.
Log out request matcher, in that we took what is that? New ant matcher request, right? Ant matcher request. My system is hanging. and path request matcher, and path what? Request matcher. In that what we will give what? One logout page. Sign out, right? Sign out. This much we completed last time, right? Now if exception, we are going to now let's understand if any exception occurred, right? If any exception occurred, if any exception means exception details, exception details, right? Dot and, right? Dot and dot and, right? If right, if exception like what? Just assume that at the time of logging, right? At the time of logging what? At the time of logging what? If any exception occurred, right? If any exception occurred, for that indication, for that purpose, what we will do it now? Dot exception, exception handling. Meaning is what? 440, not 3. Anyone know that? 1 minute. Control Shift T. HTTP status. I'm taking HTTP status, right? HTTP status. Just what I'm taking now. Yeah. Forbidden. Forbidden means what? 403, right? 403. Code not found. Code not found means what? If username and password is wrong, if username and password is wrong, then what will happen now? Hey, forbidden, right? Forbidden means what? If what? If username and password is wrong, then what? Which kind of error we are getting from the server? 403 na, come on. Forbidden means what? Wrong username and password. Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi, correct.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah.
Right?
Correct.
Yeah. So whenever if we are putting the wrong input, right? With the help of this method, what we are getting the messages, right? Exception messages. So to handle those exceptions, right? For that purpose, what we are using, what? Exception handling, right? Exception handling now. Okay, fine now, guys. So if any exception occurred, right, means what? At the time of login our application, we are giving wrong username password. So for that purpose, no, I don't want 403 error. I don't want 403 error. I want what? Some pages, my own pages, which that page can give what is that you are putting wrong username and password in our application. Come on. To configure that page, for that, what is that? Access denied page, right? Access denied page method is there. In this page method, what we will do it now? In this page method, what we will do it now? We will give what is that? My denied page, right? Whatever my denied page method URL is there, that one we will pass it here. That one we will pass it here, right? So like this, what we are doing now, like this we are configuring what? Like this we are configuring our what? Our, like this we are configuring our what? Our what? Controller methods, right? Like this we are configuring our controller method in the security, and this one is we are giving input as a what? These things we are giving input as a what? To our what? Our what? Delegate filter. With those input only we are giving what? Those input only we are giving to whom? To delegate filter, right? to delegate filter. What input we are giving now? We are giving what is that? Web security configurer adapter. Now everything is clear, guys. Still anyone having doubt?
Okay.
Yeah, clear, Ravi.
Okay, clear.
Clear, sir.
Okay, so if the thing is clear, shall I ask some question, guys? Can I ask some question? People are ready?
Yes.
Okay, then I will move on the next discussion. So okay, guys, so every URL, right? Every URL can be what? Can be accessed, only after login. Okay, login. No role checking no role checking is required. This is my question. Please give the answer.
Authenticated.
Yeah, we have to use authenticated.
Yes,
We want
authenticated.
every URL to be accessed after login. We need to use
After
authenticated.
login, only we
Just-
should,
Dedicated.
Just do use the chat box. In the chat box, please give just I want this line, right? This line, which kind of line? Total, this line is there, na? This line is there. Just like this, just write like these lines, okay? And use the chat box, guys, okay? Because 2 hour onward, right? I'm speaking. Just give the response. Let's see that how many people really understanding. Don't worry about that. Wrong answer also will be acceptable, guys. Okay, it's not meaning that okay, like things is clear. At least you guys are trying now. That is also matter for me. Sandeep Ramdas. Super. Sandeep. Today, 2 Sandeeps are there, or only one? Okay, Sudhir, Sunil. Hey, Sandeep.
Yeah, it's the same Sandeep. Yeah,
Sandeep
that's
Ramdas, right?
fine.
Sandeep, how you can did this blunder mistake, Sandeep? I can't expect this much blunder mistake with you. My question is what? Just read the question. Just read the question. What about others?
Permit all, Ravi.
Sahil sir.
Authenticated. Authenticated.
Sahil sir.
Permit all means we need to authenticate here, right? As per
Manjulata
Ravi.
na. Manjulata.
Authenticated.
When you are saying every URL, right? You mean in the brackets? I mean, like in the course, we generally provide that URL, right? Rather than that, is there any option to say like for any kind of URL, just go ahead like that? Yeah, with our example, we are giving the URLs actually.
Sandeep, just I given some messages in the chat box. Please check it, right?
Okay, Ravi, fine.
Ravi, you said no role is required. Okay.
Yeah.
Authenticated.
Hmm.
Authenticated.
What about others? Only I'm getting the answer from 1 or 2